Don't need anything more than the 17 people died and those victim impact statements of the family. They were excruciating to listen to. We were all crying here at the network. How does the defense intend to save his life? Or are they going to argue that perhaps spending his time in jail, the rest of his life in jail, Nikolas Cruz, is more punishment than the death penalty? Josh.
I think they're going to have to make this, they're going to have to pivot this from the horrible, acts of that day. Like you said, we've seen the video. They've been to the school. They've seen the bloodstains still on the ground at the school. They've heard the impact statements. That day was so horrific. If the defense is going to have any chance of trying to save his life, they're going to have to turn it back towards him. And why was he the person that did this? And was that because of a broken brain? Was that because of a childhood that he was traumatized? Was that because of perhaps things that took place while he was still in the womb? Did any of that create the kind of monster that we see today? And because of that, should we not hold him responsible for his actions by giving him the greatest penalty that we can in this country, but instead allow this broken person to remain in prison for the rest of their life? I think that's the only argument that the defense is going to have to make here.
Josh, you use the term I use all the time, a broken brain. It's more than a terrible thing.